Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your ringtone on your iPhone, step by step. Whether you want something fun, unique, or just different from default sounds, this is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, look for Sounds and Haptics. On this screen, look for Ringtone. You'll see a list of tones already available. Tap any tone to preview it. When you hear the one you like, leave it selected, and that's it. You can always come back here and change it anytime. If you want to have a different ringtone, you can also buy a ringtone. In the same ringtone section, tap Tone Store at the top. This opens iTunes stores for ringtones. Browse or search for ringtones you like. Tap one to preview. Tap the price to purchase and download. Once downloaded, it'll appear in your ringtone list, ready to use. Want to know who's calling without looking? Set a custom tones for contacts. First, open the Contacts app. Tap the person's name, tap Edit, tap Ringtone, choose a ringtone, tap Done. And that's it. Now you know how to change your iPhone ringtone, whether it's a built-in one from the store, or even for a specific person. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.